everyone, this is Soumya Avasthi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Study with Soumya. Make sure to subscribe this channel if you haven't subscribed till now. For sure, this channel is definitely going to be very helpful for you. So I am back here with multiple opportunities for you all, right? So here in this video we are going to discuss about 5 wonderful opportunities, that is for 18, 90, 20 and 21 batch and 22 as well. So make sure to watch the complete video. Also do join us at our Telegram channel. The link for the Telegram channel is provided in the description itself. So make sure to join so that you don't miss any update or opportunity from our side, right? So the first opportunity, as you can see, this is from Amdocs, and Amdocs is hiring for technology engineer Pune, right? As you can see here, and here is some description given regarding the Amdocs. Even you can go through it once. Also guys, make sure to watch the complete video so that there is no such doubt with respect to hiring and so. So what is going to be your role? You have to set up, install and maintain the software environment for any product permutation. And here you can see what will your job look like. So work with different units to provide software delivery from compilation to runtime by seeking for accurate configuration. Handle setup of various SCM environments and build mechanism in Amdocs and non-Amdocs environments. Provide full mentorship on compiling, packaging and the SCM tool to development teams and throughout all product life cycle phases. Optimize the build process, implement the latest tools and improve existing utilities. Seek build errors, craft, configure, install and upgrade environments, right? Just go through it once, and all you need is, so the requirement is bachelor's degree in computer science, engineering or a related subject. And you can see there is no such marks criteria. So 18, 90, 20, 21 batch all are eligible, as if they haven't mentioned anything. Just a bachelor degree is needed in computer science, engineering or related subject as well. Excellent oral and written communications must be there. Hands-on experiences with administration or configuration policies or deploying monitoring tools equivalent to HP operations. Knowledge of operating systems is needed. Hands-on experience in doing event correlation, alerting, dashboarding. Hands-on experience in monitoring application for DevOps tools. Hands-on experience to scripting languages like as Python, Perl, PHP, Java, C, C++. So if you know any of them, so that's going to work for you. Now you can see the link is currently active, so make sure to apply before the registration closed, right? Also do share this video with your friends as well so that even they can know about these wonderful opportunities. Let's talk about next opportunity now. So this is from Electronic Arts. Electronic Arts is hiring for software engineer intern. The location mentioned is Hyderabad, Telangana, as you can see here. And this is the description regarding Electronics Arts. Just go through it once. And you can see here your responsibilities is going to be development of new games and related features, contribute to the evolvement of our existing games, maintain detailed design documentation throughout the project cycle. Qualification they have mentioned is BE, BTech, MCA. So like 19, 20, 21 batch is eligible for this one. Exceptional analytical and problem solving acumen. And you can see C++ is also needed, and experience with Unity or Unreal Engine development A+. So if you have knowledge of this, then that's going to be an advantage for you. And most important all, you need to love games. So this is basically a kind of games kind of opportunity. So if you are interested in that, so you can apply. Next opportunity that we do have is from NetWest, right? So you can see currently we are on HackerEarth platform. So this is it, NetWest Technology Hiring Challenge 2021, right? So this is the information regarding NetWest Group. Eligibility criteria they have mentioned 1 to 3 years of experience. Skills required Java or Python or SQL. So if you know any one of them, that is going to work for you. Now BE, BTech, MTech, MCA, BSc, MSc all are eligible for this. No marks criteria is given here. Also there is no branch criteria, so all branches are eligible. And graduation here they have required that only candidates who have passed out in 2021 or before. So 2021, 2019, 2018 all are eligible for this wonderful opportunity. Now the challenge format is going to be 2 programming questions on DS algorithm and MCQ is going to be here. So guys, I would recommend to register and do give this particular test so that you can analyze yourself, right? So these kind of tests help us to analyze ourselves and push us to do much better, right? So just make sure to register. And let's see the next opportunity now. Next opportunity that we are having is from ServiceNow for associate software engineer. This is the company description given, that ServiceNow is making the world of work better for people. Our cloud-based platform and solutions deliver digital workflows that create great experiences and unlock productivity. Job description is going to be that build the best cloud software for business using a market-leading development and cloud platform. Collaborate day to day with an energetic team of like-minded developers, product managers, and quality engineers. Master new functional areas. Design features with a core commitment to quality and an eye to how the products will evolve in future releases. Qualification needed is 0 to 2 years of work experience or 18, 19, 20, 21 is eligible for this one. And passion for software development and problem solving, experience with debugging and testing software through a CI life cycle, strong written and verbal communication, experience with Java, OOPS and design pattern, experience with relational database such as MySQL and Oracle, experience with front-end technology like HTML, JavaScript, CSS. See guys, if you are having the basic information about these technologies, and so even then I would suggest to apply for this opportunity, right? So that is this one. The last opportunity that we are having is from Google, and this opportunity is for women especially, and no matter from which batch you are, the only thing required is that in case of age, you can see here are some rules given. So age is given that you must be 18 years old. Rest, no matter from which branch you are, you all can apply, and this opportunity is for women. So this is a code gem competition that has been organized by the Google for the women itself, right? And let's see about the rules. And so age I already told you. Registration given here is that registration for the CJIO contest will open on or around Wednesday 7 April. So it is already opened and ends on Saturday 17 April. So the last date is 17 April. Make sure to register before this. Contest structure they have given that the contest consists of a single round which will take place online. So just one round is here. The round will start on Saturday 17 April at 14 UTC and run for 150 minutes. So this is a round of 150 minutes and will end on Saturday 17 April itself, right? The date and time of this round are subject to change by Google and in accordance with the terms. Now talking about problems, so you can see these are the problems and all sort of things. Just go through it once. And talking about the prizes, so you can see these are the prizes mentioned here, that if you are eligible to receive the prize of one non-transferable ticket to Google I/O 2021, you will be notified by email with instruction on how to register for Google. Registration for Google I/O 2021 is not transferable, and contestants may not sell or give away their ticket to other persons. And this one is that Google I/O 2021 $100 USD stipend. If you are an eligible prize recipient, you must register for Google I/O 2021 in order to receive the $100 USD stipend. So just go through all the stuff mentioned here and make sure to apply, make sure to participate for this wonderful competition, and that is for women only. So these were some wonderful opportunity for all of you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any update. Also, do join us at our Telegram channel. Thank you guys. Keep learning, keep preparing. Bye-bye.